Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bemi. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back and tuning into my channel. So today I'm back with another hair video, and today's wig is from Ali Pearl Hair, and I'm working with their 5x5 HD lace closure wig today. So this is a 24-inch wig, and it's a 200% density wig as well. So I like how full the wig is. So if you guys want to see how I customized the hairline, it looks like it's a frontal but it's a closure. So if you want to see how I installed, customized and styled this wig, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching.
Let's go up pull up for the party. One club birthday Cincinnati. I see this girl, she dey move catty catty. I think I'm losing it. I don't really conversate. For you, I wanna lose my space. I wanna lose my space. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like ganja and lighter. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like ganja and lighter. So we spend time with a glass of wine. I don't want no tragedy for us. You don't want no tragedy for us. I just wanna stand by you. Anything I do for you. Shorty know I go for two. I like you, I ride you. What's up, you know, I sight you. With your band to go, that shine too. I bust up, I hold the mantle. I want you, I need you, you got it. What's up, you want it, I have it. Didi, daddy, daddy. Right when we come from the back. You put it, put do. You not there for you, yeah, papa, I think I'm losing it. I don't really conversate. For you, I wanna lose my space. I wanna lose my space. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like ganja and lighter. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like ganja and lighter.
Okay, so I've got the wig on now. The hairline looks so good, so I'm just gonna go ahead and style the wig now, and then we can go from there. I'm gonna use my Whitney Marie curling wand to style the hair today.
Let's go up pull up for the party. One club birthday Cincinnati. I see this girl, she dey move catty catty. I think I'm losing it. I don't really conversate. For you, I wanna lose my space. I wanna lose my space. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like ganja and lighter. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like ganja and lighter. So we spend time with a glass of wine. I don't want no tragedy for us. You don't want no tragedy for us. I just wanna stand by you. Anything I do for you. Shorty know I go for two. I like you, I ride you. What's up, you know, I sight you. With your band to go, that shine too. I bust up, I hold you.
Okay, so I'm done curling this side. I'm gonna go ahead and use my bed head spray.
I want you, I need you, you got it. What's up, you want it, I have it. Didi, daddy, daddy. Right when we come from the back. You put it, do. You not there for you, yeah, papa, I think I'm losing it. I don't really conversate. For you, I wanna lose my space. I wanna lose my space. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe.
so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some powder on the lace just to get it to, you know, match my skin tone better. Like, this looks so good. It looks really, really good. I'm also using my bed head spray to install the wig. This step is optional, you don't have to glue it down because it's a closure wig, but I'm choosing to glue it down, so. And this is not even gluing, I'll say this is a holding spray, like it's just a really, really strong holding spray. And I prefer it to the Got2b spray. I don't know, I just think it's better. Doesn't take as long to get tacky and dry down, and also the hold is stronger. It doesn't leave a white cast like the Got2b spray does.
So we spent time with the glass of wine. I don't want no tragedy for us. You don't want no tragedy for us. I just wanna stand by you. Anything I do for you. Shorty know I go for two. I like you, I like you. What's up, you know, I sight you. With your band to go, that shine.
Guys, the lace looks really, really good. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray that one more time.
What's up, you want me to have it. Didi, daddy, daddy. Right where we come from, the back. You not there for you. Yeah, papa. I think I'm losing it. I don't really conversate. For you, I wanna lose my space. I wanna lose my space. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like gotcha, I like. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like gotcha, I like.
And now I'm just gonna go ahead and just run my concealer brush through my part and just so this can stand out. Okay, so guys, I'm nearly ready. I've changed my top, you know. So now I'm just gonna finish off by doing my baby hairs on the side. This is not compulsory as well, but I just want to add a little something.
I think I'm losing it. I don't really conversate. For you, I wanna lose my space. I wanna lose my space. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like gotcha, I like. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like gotcha, I like.
Okay, so I'm done installing and styling this wig. Guys, this hair is just giving doll, like Barbie doll vibes. I love this hair, and the hair is very soft. It's so silky as well, like I'm so in love. So once again, this hair is from Ali Pearl Hair, and this is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig. Yes, this is a closure. It looks really, really good. So this is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig. The length of the wig is 24 inches. So this is a 24 inch wig. It actually feels like it's a 26 inch, like it's giving off 26 inch vibe, but and the density of the wig is 200%. So this is a 200% density wig. It didn't take too much for me to style the hair and make it look good. So, you know, this is one of those wigs where, you know, it doesn't require too much for you to make it look good. And the lace as well is amazing. I'm just gonna zoom all the way in so you guys can see. Like, the lace is so good. So once again, this wig is from Ali Pearl Hair, and this is their 5x5 24 inch HD lace closure wig. The density of the wig is 200. I like how full this wig is, like I love it. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna make sure to list all the links that you guys need to know in the description box, so please make sure you check below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.